All right, calling all warriors, calling all warriors. I don't want to say this, is the last call, but we have until midnight of the end of 2021 that you can save a little bit on coming to Peru. And I don't want to say it could be your last trip, but the way things are going, it's not looking super, international for 2022. Right now, there's no travel restrictions. All you need is to get tested in order to get to Peru. I don't know what country you're in, but it's getting harder to get around these days, and you might want to jump on it as your last. It's like, I gotta get out of here before I can't or before I'm stuck. I mean, and this is the warrior retreat. We are going to be looking at Aries the warrior, Mars the warrior, Pluto, super powerful warrior energy of Pluto and Scorpio. We're going to be looking at Chiron, how to strengthen and heal that warrior within us, because I don't want to say there's a war coming, but maybe some battles. It's going to be a challenging year where we really need to be tapping into our deepest root chakra strength. And we're going to do the astrology, the yoga, the nature, the beach, we're going to be really doing it all for a week. February 1st, okay, it's going on for a week, and Venus will be direct. So Venus goes direct just before the workshop, and Mars comes to join her during the workshop. We're going to have a Venus-Mars conjunction happening, and it's going to be gorgeous. So come on, baby. There's a few spots left, not that many. I mean, it's not going to be a big workshop. We're going to have a lot of close interaction. We'll be able to go into each and every one of your charts, in depth. With the small group that we have, and it's going to be amazing. So click the link below, and I hope to see you there. You can do this, baby. Let's make it happen. Okay. Ciao, ciao.